Today we're going to be playing with a doctor view. Here it is. Let's open it up. First, we have a drill. We need some batteries. We have a roller for the braces.
And I can't understand why Father almost brought me here to
We
see
have
me.
a head.
And that's messed up, right? I said that's messed up, right?
There's a tongue.
Yeah,
In the
I had my
back,
mom back in my life for about a year now.
some things that
And
you
treat
can
him
put
like
your
God said,
playdoh
been
in.
one of the greatest
Then when
moments
you
of my
push
life.
it back, the playdoh goes
Come
straight.
on, let's get it.
Then you goes to the tongue. Big thing. Put the teeth in. Here's some silver. Here's a big giant ball. Here's some more. So I have a little tray that I'm gonna bring to. Okay, it's gonna be started.
Boy, did you know that Camilla and Mimi got hitched?
That's who she married?
Damn, Hakeem.
She said she didn't take Lucia's money. She said you knew.
She still bounced.
Okay,
And she's trying
here's
to
the
pull out our
tweezers,
company
the
right
fake.
from up under us.
Okay, so let's start with the
We
ring.
don't have time for this, okay? Now, bottom line, we need you both there to vote, and we losing Pie tonight. Hell, we might lose it anyway.
Tonight? No, Dre, not tonight. I can't leave here until I see Jazzy. Look, this is important to me. Is there something else I can do?
Well, this is
It's impossible.
the trick
It means
man.
Hakeem or me can vote for you.
The silver.
Got the paperwork drawn up.
Let's step outside. Let me talk to him for a second. What's it your last name? Lion Dynasty is our company,
Here's the red.
but Empire is our legacy. And anybody that tries to steal that from us is our enemy. Do you understand that?
I know, Mom.
You
Look
got it.
at this something that get it out because this is hard to get out.
This is iPhone 6s. Not much has changed, except it's ridiculously powerful.
The tweezers are for to get the teeth out. Now let's connect him to
Shopping stuff, businessy stuff, this kind of stuff.
yeah.
This kind of stuff.
So we're gonna be starting with the back.
You can try mine while you try his. And games are definitely not bad.
So
Is this a smart one?
scoop this back.
Student films? Don't look like student films.
Let's open his mouth.
I know, right?
If this kid's on the phone for me.
Yeah, that is fun. So other than being the most powerful iPhone ever, not much has changed.
Good morning.
And power down.
I found a disease that no one has ever seen. Based on the incredible true story, playing football can choke the brain. Raine does not want to talk to you. His discovery made him a target. But do